Kulindeleke ukuthi iqhubeke nomsebenzi wayo ikhomishana ephenya izinsolo zokubhozonyelwa kombuso ngasekupheleni kwalenyanga. Iphini lenhloko yamajaji kulelizwe uJustice Raymond Zondo lithi kuneyintwana ezincane okumele zilungiswe okufaka phakathi ukufuduka kofakazi besuka kwezinye izifundazwe.
There is no reason why we should not be able to resume hearings either in the last week of June or the first week of July. We are going to make preparations to do that.
Laba abasolwa ngenkohlakalo kanye nokubhozomela umbuso bazozithola bephoswa imibuzo futhi. Iphini lenhloko yamajaji uJustice Raymond Zondo lithi lesigcawu sizama ukuthola indlela ofakazi abazoyisebenzisa uma bethula ubufakazi njengoba izwe lilwa neCovid-19.
Then some clarity with regard to witnesses that we may want to bring to the commission to give evidence where they come from other provinces and not from Gauteng and metropolitan areas. It looks like that needs attention. It also may be that we need to look at the issue of investigators when they travel between provinces as part of their investigation.
Ofakazi angeke bephose imibuzo yokundlalela kodwa kuzogxilwa embuzweni emqoka. Lokhu kwenzela ukunciphisa isikhathi esizochithwa ngofakazi kulesigcawu.
We asked questions in relation to only certain important issues and not on everything. But the public will still be able to have access to that transcript just like we have been doing. So nothing will be hidden from the public.
Umengameli Cyril Ramaphosa bekulindeleke ukuthi avele kulesigcawu ngenyanga ezayo. Kodwa ngenxa ye-COVID-19 sekuhlehliselwe esinye isikhathi ukuvela kwakhe kule khomishana. NginguSamkele Maseko ezindabeni ze-SABC eGoli.